Miller gets to the top of the circle, cross ice, Besser, Hughes fires, Koskinen made the save. 18 minutes. Here's Besser with some room. He takes the shot. Too late, gets it away. It was blocked. Hughes, Miller, fires, knocked down in front of the net. Koskinen's down. The puck is still loose underneath the Sunderland. But we haven't seen video evidence of how this gets in all yet.
Yeah, we talked about Tanner Pearson, and there's Pearson. He drives it back toward the net, and there's Bo Horvat jabbing away, and it does go in, and there's Chris Schlenker.
Now that's a hard-working power.
That is. That's a dirty goal. Grease, and you can see it's in everybody's feet. Ethan Bear. And Mikko Koskinen is looking. Now, do you think the others have challenged this one? I don't think so.
He's talking about the goaltender's stick being held onto there, I believe.
Yes.
You can't push the goaltender across the line, but they were poking at the puck. It was Pearson and Horvat who were playing the puck. And it looks like they're going to go ahead here and drop the puck. He's had ample time to challenge if he wants to.